What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, like the video. We're here in Alberta for round 2 with the Mindak boys and Broken Wing. We set the spread a little bit different today, so we'll see how things work. Pretty excited for day number 2. Let's get it.
It's the last time you come. Do you need a GoPro clip of a reel?
Well, we just got sat down and shooting lights in 2 minutes, so tighten them chin straps up, boys.
No wind.
They're gonna circle again.
Yeah, they are.
They're behind us somewhere.
You're to the left arm.
Coming low, boys.
I love no wind. I love me some no wind.
Right over us.
You'd think if they're hungry and ready to feed, they'd at least like start walking up.
When that sun comes up, it's gonna turn off.
Yeah.
That's how it was yesterday.
Yeah, it was a little slow to
Literally
start.
Exactly how it was yesterday.
Yeah, true.
They gotta wake up,
Right.
have a coffee.
Not Timmy's though, because they're never open.
Yeah.
True.
Fucking Timmy's.
What a freaking...
I'd be so happy just to wake up, go there and get a cup of coffee and a farmer.
In October we will, because we'll be getting up way later.
Yep, that's true.
I didn't think about that.
We'll be leaving at like 6 instead of 4.
Damn. What the hell? Boy, what the hell?
Single, come on.
We poke at him, Jeremy. What is you? What the heck, Jeremy? Why didn't you call that?
Little far out there.
This is hella red boot.
Kill that one.
I almost went for the second one.
Hey, good shooting, Jeremy.
Didn't miss that one the
First
first
bird of the morning.
I ain't missing that.
First bird of the morning. Jeremy got her done. Not bad. We've seen a lot of ducks. There's some water around here. They just want water right away. But once they start feeding, it should get good. But first plug is drawn.
Did you say water?
Water. In here around my mouth. Water.
Oh, Kevin. Okay, first duck that has came in good enough to shoot. These birds are just hopping around water right
Go, boy.
Oh my god.
No way.
The other two got out.
Came in out. Go.
It's because the wind's doing this.
The wind's switching everything.
They're just doing whatever the wants.
Yeah, you shouldn't have to smell the gunpowder. That means the wind's the wrong direction.
It smells good though.
Get ready, boys.
Kill that one. When they come behind you, you gotta take that.
That's not where the geese are supposed to come from.
It's a single boost on that way.
My gun's working way better this morning.
Oh God, I see him now.
They might shortstop.
Yeah.
Fighting. We could roll them.
I know we can. Do you want to do it?
Yeah. Kill them. Oh, they were out there. That one got knocked down and then got back up. I think the wind's screwing with us.
Oh yeah.
Big time.
Now there is a wind and
Yeah,
it's
that's
the wrong
starting
way.
to pick up.
We're trying to finish right above the blind and they see us in the end zone.
Like, what the hell? It's coming out of the east. These ones are circling, guys.
Ducks coming over us.
Yeah. Left shoulder, guys, locked up. Kill them, boys! We rained 5 out of that.
Get ready with another shell, Mom.
I'm going. Two-pack, guys. Coming in.
John's confidence in this out.
These two are locked up.
No, John, don't have it.
John, do not move.
Kev, this is all you. Good shooting, buddy. Dude, Kev is on dead eye.
John was out there taking that lead.
You want to try it, Jeremy?
Ah, no. Ducks. Oh, I cannot get that one.
It ain't coming down any lower, so. One more time, hopefully.
We got a line of geese coming over the trees too.
I would say the geese have been doing it better so far this morning.
Oh, look at the ducks.
We're about to get a big flock of geese. Single's gonna walk.
They come across us.
Ooh, they did not like it.
Oh. Bad wind.
It sucks when the spinning wings stop with the white right facing too.
I
Three
know.
more honkers
So
in front.
tough.
Duck is spinning in though.
Yep.
Go on these ducks.
Oh.
I'm hearing some dropping.
Couple bucks.
I'm supposed to honk.
Oh,
it up,
someone
man.
shot that single honk. Good stuff, boys.
I don't know. I fucking whacked a duck going out the back too here.
I grabbed two off this side, unless someone else was shooting over here.
I didn't. I shot the duck. That's all I shot. I shouldn't straight up.
I turned them modules on and they just cut in. Then I shut them off because I was looking at the geese. And then I turned them back on.
Another big string of geese coming over under the sun.
Oh. No.
Ouch.
Yeah. The one's coming.
Left
Out
side.
front. Geese out front.
Got a single left side looking real good.
He's. He is.
Kill him! Kill him! Wound him! Wound him!
Well, left side's not strong now.
What the fuck?
Little assholes. Sorry guys. Should have killed the two.
Another string coming over the trees.
Single left dumping home.
Oh, yeah, we're... Kill him! There. At least you got a wing.
He was clipping.
Stuck in my gun.
She clicked on the second shot.
Kill him, boys!
Proper wind. Get them all. All of them but one.
That wasn't too bad.
Wasn't bad
Atta boy.
for what they've been doing.
And oh yeah, that was good.
Still flying.
They're definitely seeing the blinds, I think,
Yeah,
now.
they're picking us apart.
Oh, 100%.
Well, boys,
I'd say that's it, boys.
nothing's really. I mean, we've seen birds, but they're not.
No point in
It's breakfast time, boyo. And more coffee.
Oh, what the heck, Jeremy?
Oh, you can't win them all.
You can't win them all, but this was not a bad hunt.
No, not at
I'd
all.
say we still won this one.
Oh yeah,
honestly.
go clean up in the afternoon.
Yep.
Hey guys, so yeah, we fought the wind today. We were kind of on the top of a hill. The birds just weren't working like we wanted, like we projected. We tried a bunch of stuff, just wasn't working. I mean, we still did all right. I think we shot 32 birds. Still is a decent hunt. I'll show you the pile right here. We kind of got a little discouraged there and packed up and left and I forgot to film an outro. So, but all in all, we still had a lot of fun, man. They just weren't cupping up. They'd stay high and still went all right. We still had a good time. Can't complain about that hunt. You know, on to the next one. I got another good one for this afternoon. It's a walk-in field, but we thought, why not go burn it up? Finish these guys' limit off. We still got 18 geese and 26 ducks to shoot. So finish that limit off, put that hunt behind us, and yeah, we got Kevin scouting a field for us in the morning tomorrow, so we'll be able to just go out and hunt, have a good time tonight, get another hunt in. It'll be all good. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Another video with the Mindak boys and Broken Wing. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Make sure you subscribe, like the video if you haven't, and catch you guys on the next one.